Imagine walking through a forest. Everything looks silent, peaceful, still, but beneath your feet, there's a hidden network connecting trees, sharing nutrients, even sending warnings. This isn't science fiction, it's called the Wood Wide Web. What is the Wood Wide Web? Deep underground fungi form vast networks called mycelium. These thread-like structures connect the roots of different trees. Through this network, trees exchange nutrients like carbon, nitrogen, and even chemical signals. Scientists call this system the Wood Wide Web, a natural internet of the forest. How fungi make it possible? This relationship is known as mycorrhiza, a partnership between fungi and plants. The fungi get sugars from the trees. In return, they expand the tree's root system, helping it absorb more water and nutrients. But here's the surprising part. This network doesn't just feed trees, it connects them. Do trees really communicate? When a tree is attacked by insects, it can send chemical warning signals through the network. Nearby trees receive the message and start producing defensive chemicals before the threat even reaches them. Some studies even suggest that older mother trees support younger saplings by sending them nutrients through this underground web. Why this changes how we see forests? This discovery challenges a long-held belief that plants compete for survival. Instead, forests may function more like communities, where cooperation plays a key role. It's not just a collection of individual trees, it's a connected, intelligent system. Next time you walk through a forest, remember you're not just surrounded by trees, you're standing above one of the most complex communication networks on Earth. The Wood Wide Web, nature's hidden internet. If you enjoy mind-blowing science and hidden facts, subscribe to No Boost for more.